Good morning, Purple Day. I just wanted to give you a quick update about your assignments that are due tonight by 11:59. You have 3 assignments that are due for tonight. In case you haven't started those already, I just updated my gradebook this morning, and it looked like most of you have. But just in case you're one of the few who haven't, it's in the Distance Learning ELA folder, in the Level 1 Nouns and Adjectives. You have to complete number 1, the video notes, which is the Ed puzzle. Make sure you complete that all the way through. Number 2, the practice. So you have some options. You'll get to choose a Kahoot, a Quizzes, or a Quizlet, or a Google form. Once you complete that, I want you to screenshot your score and turn that into the practice submission area. And then I want you to complete the nouns and adjectives quiz. Once all that's done, you are good to go for ELA. If you are somebody who is working ahead, you can get started on level 2, which is sentences, fragments, and run-ons. This will be due for you guys. This is my Purple Day, so the level 2 will be due by Friday, by midnight, by 11:59. So if you are interested in getting more stuff done, so you have like an early weekend break, go for it. It's available for you. I look forward to seeing you all. If you want to check in with me at 1 o'clock today for our conference call, let me know if you have any questions. Bye.